Today I'm going to guide you through the process of signing in to your IRCC account for 2024. Whether you're checking your application status or managing your profile, this tutorial will make it easy. Let's get started. IRCC, or Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, provides an online portal for managing your immigration or citizenship applications. Here's how you can log into your IRCC account. First, open your web browser and go to the official IRCC website at www.canada.ca. On the home page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the Immigration and Citizenship section. Click on it. Now under Immigration and Citizenship, select My Application from the menu. This will take you to the page where you can log into your IRCC account. Now you'll be redirected to the sign-in page. This page may have two options for logging in: using a sign-in partner or using GCKey. If you have a sign-in partner account, choose that option and log in with your bank credentials. If not, choose GCKey. To log in with GCKey, you need to enter your username and password. If you don't have a GCKey account, you can create one by clicking on Register for GCKey and follow the instructions. Once you've entered your credentials, click on Sign In. You may need to complete a security verification step, like entering a code sent to your email or phone. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to your IRCC account dashboard, where you can view your applications, check your status, and manage your account. And that's it. You're now logged into your IRCC account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.